Hi, good morning to our computer architecture lecturers. We are from group 4 of class. The group members are Jessie and Chao Du, Alex Profile, Tan Jing Ting, Heng Jing Wai, Un Wing Wai, and last is myself. We present the computer systems proposal for organization. Let's jump into the topic with it.
All right. So there are two problem statements for the project. Which one of them was the coronavirus diseases or COVID-19 was an infectious disease which affect our respiratory system, which can be cause fatality on a person. COVID-19 has been rapidly spread around the world. Doctor and medical personnel that are facing difficulty to deal with the pandemic cases and getting the latest information on the oncoming pandemics. Secondly, computer system is our information face the problem where it gets temperature fluctuation, pack capacity, power fail, breakdown when operating 24/7 and 365 days per year continuously without shutting down. Therefore, we are required to design a computer system to cope all these problems that I have stated above. So I would like to pass to Mr. Un for the next slide.
Okay, so first we'll the CPU, since the requirement need for high performance on workstation in task 1, so we decide to use AMD 3970X with 32 cores, 63 tricks of multiple processing power with 144 megapixel of combined caches. It can deal with any pandemic cases in a short time. Second, we suggest the graphic card by using Quadro RTX for the if it provides an excellent performance in rendering image video, which will very helpful for doctor to analysis pandemic with high quality of image. It also have a new tensor core with max precision core to help the medical team provide a better medical analysis. Next. So next. So for the RAM, we are going to use the 6 gigapixel to image processing, data gathering to reduce latency when running a program. So I will pass the mic to Jingting.
Next, RAID 5 is recommended in our hardware. It is important for multitasking purpose along with maintaining the performance of computers. By using a multitasking workstation, the final integrated system more efficiently uses the power of the CPU as constructed to a system with a dedicated computer. RAID 5 arrays need at least 3 disks. This array uses data stripping and parity for redundancy, which also provide data security and boost to performance. Next, SSD. Hospital never require every component to be function effectively, as it is very complex where the performance error could cause the functionality impair, which is where SSD reliability is important in making computer system a better place to begin. This SSD is chosen as it provides a good performance and high in random read speed while keeping the price affordable. Next. And here is the budget for a computer system for Sarawak General Hospital. And this is about 15,000 in this. Although the budget is wise, it should not be a problem for Ministry of Health, as medical department require a lot of funding for research and development, data gathering, and so on. And now I pass the mic to my group mate. Next.
Okay, thank you for the previous presenter. Okay, we will continue to our task 2. This task 2 is about the computer system for Sarawak Information System Science. Okay, the first hardware component is processor CPU. Okay, I will recommend item Intel Core i5 algorithm. This is because to get information from provide a good performance. Higher number of cores can serve more tasks at the same time, and CPU can handle more threads and on faster. So for the second hardware component is about the operating system. I recommended to choose the Windows 10 Pro. This is because to perform a more tasks and access our file folder and apps from virtually anywhere on any device with remote desktop. Okay, for the third of the hardware component about the memory, I recommended between 4 GB and to 8 GB of RAM. This is the lock up a reasonable number of monitor that and also leave an enough RAM for using email, working with application like Microsoft Word and playing some casual game. So for the part of the hardware component is about the storage. For the minimum storage I recommended is 256 of internal storage. Unless you are a lot of work on video editing, so you maybe need consider more than 256 internal storage. Only a long-term storage on sufficient storage needed to store all the data. So I will pass the fifth hardware component to our next presenter.
Next, cooling system is also important. Let's take an example from our daily life. When our mobile phone gets hot, the operations are not smooth anymore. So same theories goes to the web server. An effective cooling system makes sure the web server has its optimal temperatures for smooth server application. All-in-one is one type of liquid cooling system, which takes only little space in CPU. All-in-one liquid cooler also produces less noise than many others air cooler. It can be bought easily from the market and get installed easily in our computer. Next, let's talk about redundant arrays of inexpensive disks, RAID 6. RAID 6 can be installed and configured easily. It implements block level stripping with dual distributed parity, which increases fault tolerance. It also increases data availability, which can handle failure of 2 hard disks. This enables web server operating all time without fail as requested for building up a web server. This here comes to our budget. These are all minimum budget we proposed for the basic components. So the total is around 5,000 ringgit Malaysia. Of course, anything more updated could also be used with the higher prices if the price is affordable and acceptable by the companies. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thanks, Jessie. After we managed to complete the proposal, we had learned more about computer architecture in details like the specification of hardware components chosen in which can serve its purpose for organization. And last but not least, we also learned the teamwork in a group to complete our part. That's all from our presentation. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.